Welcome back, guys. This is Ambitious Fritzy Fritz in the flesh, guys. Wanted to make a video out there for you guys. I'm currently traveling. I'm in Tempo right now. That's why I'm not bringing a lot of videos in, guys. But I also wanted to make a video for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, let me know down below in the comments. If you guys have been in my channel, man, I'm sorry, guys. I've been out of it. As you can see, I've been losing weight, doing a lot of different things. I apologize for that, guys, but I do want to let you guys know I have been following the market and also the news as well, guys. If you guys should already know, Coinbase is about to add the top 50 coins in there. I can't wait to see what's up, to see if they're actually gonna do what they said they're gonna do. Because if they're gonna add the top 50 coins that have the market value, that means XRP is gonna be added as well. Tron is gonna be added, ADA, and all the lovely, wonderful coins that we all hold. And I really hope you guys are holding huge bags of all each individual coins that have a lot of potential to gain, guys. Let me know down below too what coins you guys have. Let me know down below what coins you guys think gonna have the most gain this year, guys, because as you guys already know as well, we've been waiting patiently for the market. It's been very bearish throughout the whole year, and that's basically the crypto market. But we do know that, guys, this is the fourth quarter. We do know the market's about to turn around. If you guys don't know, just know that the market's about to turn around very soon, guys. October 15, honestly, and up is when it should turn around very soon. If you guys already seen the market right now, the market is gaining a little bit more traction, but it's still, bearish. It's still nothing. It's just about to finish consolidate, and it's about to start the bull run very soon. And if you guys haven't bought your coins yet, guys, I definitely encourage you guys to buy your coins if you guys are waiting patiently, because the market's about to turn around, and I don't want you guys to pay a premium for your coins, guys. It's just very important, guys. I mean, a lot of people keep telling you guys when to buy, when not to buy. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is just my opinion and all speculation and all the research I've been doing, guys. This is an awesome time to buy if you haven't buy already, if you're trying to buy, because once the rocket's about to launch, guys, you want to get your tickets so you can ride the rocket. And the fact of the matter is, when it's really busy, when the market's hectic, there's certain places that won't allow you guys to buy. If you guys have not made an account in any of the exchanges, down below, guys, in my link, you guys can make an account, and Binance and everything, you guys can click the link and just go make an account. If you don't have the money, at least make an account, because if you guys don't know, last year, a lot of the major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, etc., closed down, shut down new registrations, guys. So I really at least encourage you guys to at least have your exchanges ready and try to get in before the market start booming, so you guys don't buy these coins in a premium, guys. A lot of coins have high potential. A lot of coins have high potential. You guys already know, once a coin starts going up, most of the time it passes its all-time high, no matter what. So if you guys really want to know, there's a lot of potential in the market. There's a lot of profit to be made very soon, guys. And if you guys know, I look different. I look good. You know what I mean? I got a new haircut and I got a little skinnier. I had to change my lifestyle a little bit, man. I had to change because, man, what's the point of making money if you can't enjoy it correctly, So, your body got to change and everything. So I just want to let you guys know on that too. Also, for all you guys already know me, man, congrats, I'm back now. I just want to say what's up, down below, comment below, let me know your opinions. Let me know if you knew me. Let me know if you missed me. Let me know what's up. All right, guys, I'm waiting on Coinbase to actually add these 50 coins to see what's up, because Coinbase currently is, I don't want to say that, but I gotta say it's just a bullshit exchange right now. It's pathetic how slow they've been moving and how just pathetic they've been doing when it comes to their platform, man. I mean, whoever's running Coinbase is doing a really poor job. But as you guys know, the recent news, Coinbase has gained a lot of new traction, a lot of new paperwork, a lot of new news going on. So they're about to step up their game. I can't wait to see what happened. Binance been doing really good, guys. And Microsoft and, the New York Stock Exchange, ICE, they're about to team up and open up a new exchange in November. That's another reason why I'm telling you guys to hurry up, get in before it's too late. Because once that exchange come in, a lot of institutional investments are about to come in. A lot of big players are about to join the cryptocurrency space. And if you guys want to make as much profit as possible, you guys should already know, get in before they get in so you guys can make a lot of profit, guys. And if you guys also want to know a way where you guys can earn passive income when it comes to cryptocurrency and actually gain a lot of percentage when it comes to coins, let me know down below in the comments below, because I'm in the process of working that out. I joined a company. It's a very lovely company, and I want to share that with you guys. I want to see how many people are interested in that. I'm making, like, as the market's been doing what it's doing, I'm still making money off crypto without actually being a day trader. And there's ways to make passive income off crypto, guys. So if you guys want, comment below. I want to see how many people are interested in that, and then I'll share that with you guys as well. And if you guys don't already know, Tron also has something called Tron Scan, where you guys can actually make passive Tron off Tron. If you guys have Tron and you're holding, you can just bring your Tron into Tron Scan, freeze your coin, vote, and every week or so you'll get a certain amount of Tron. It's not a lot of Tron, honestly, but it's better than nothing, and you're just basically stacking up your Tron for free, which is better than nothing. But the passive income and company I joined in, you could gain a lot more percentage and coin wise than Tron Scan, which is, it's still, like I said, it's not bad. It's awesome that it's free, but you can make a lot more if you guys knew the connections and knew the ways and methods of making money when it comes to the cryptocurrency market, when it comes to having crypto and knowing how to use it. ADA is about to start staking, which is awesome too. I'm about to stack up with some ADA just because of the staking process they are about to start, and I can't wait to join. But the company I have is about to add some new coins. They already have 6 coins in total. They got Litecoin, they have Bitcoin, they have Ethereum, they have Bitcoin Cash now, they got Ethereum Classic, and they have what was the last one? Oh, and they have Dash as well. So if you guys want to stack up on Dash and grow your investment or your bags of Dash, it's a lovely way to do that. And you can take out profit and sell some Dash that you earn while you're being patient and waiting for the market as well. But I do want to say this: if you guys have not listened to Bitcoin Ben, he's been talking about it. And if you guys don't know, he already talked about XRP. I was excited about it, how he said, man, XRP is making major moves and it's about to be doing some crazy stuff. And I just love what's going behind the scenes. If you guys don't know, just keep up with your updates and keep learning, because there's a lot of things going on with XRP, and I'm just happy about it. I mean, people like us who are long-term holders and who really believe in our XRP, the project, we already know we're gonna make our money no matter what. And it's not like the price action doesn't really affect us too much, except when we're trying to buy, honestly. And he also mentioned Ethereum Classic also is gonna make some big moves. And if you guys know, you guys can comment below what you guys know. But what he said basically is Ethereum Classic trying to take over Ethereum. And as you guys know, Ethereum isn't doing so well, or hasn't been doing so well. It's getting back and bouncing back. But Ethereum Classic is about to make even bigger moves. So I just bought some Ethereum Classic, and I'm holding on to it, and I'm also compounding it and making more and stacking up on Ethereum Classic without spending a dime. And it's awesome. It feels good, guys. And if you guys want to know, like I said, comment below, and I want to see how many people are interested, and I'll try to share the way I'm making that money with that company as well. And what else, guys? What else I want to talk about? Oh yeah, I'm in Tampa. I'm currently traveling. That's another reason why I haven't been putting out so much videos, guys. I'm traveling while I work and making some money while I'm waiting for the market to do things. I'm doing multiple things. I'm about to get a percentage of a company soon. And I still been on my grind, guys. I still been on my grind. I'm not giving up. And the biggest way you lose is to give up, guys. So for all the holders out there, guys, congratulations, man. Congratulations on holding. Congratulations on buying the dip. Congratulations on doing dollar cost average and etc., guys. Congrats, guys. I just want to say, your moment is coming, guys. At least time to take profit is coming very soon. We're in the 4th quarter. It's about to start pumping very soon, man. I've seen the graphs, I've seen the charts, I've seen the technical analysis and everything, guys. I can't wait for it, man. I'm excited, man. We're gonna have some nice Christmas checks coming soon, and it's just exciting. It's an exciting time, man. Blockchain technology is here to stay, man. Ripple has already proven that it's gonna stay, and a lot of companies are still going at it, man, going hard. And I'm just happy I'm into a lot of good projects currently. If you guys want me to share like the coins I have, my bag, etc., let me know down below. Share your bags, guys. Let's have a discussion down in the comments, and I'm definitely gonna reply to you guys. So let me know what's up, guys. Also, don't forget to drop a like in this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys want more content, etc., guys. And I want to say, man, thank you so much for watching, guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining the crypto space, guys, the crypto community, and thank you for not giving up, guys. And also, I mean, you guys are in early. You guys are the pioneers, and we're about to make this thing a reality and just change the world, man. I'm blessed. You guys are blessed as well. We're all about to change our future, man. And it's just an exciting time to be alive right now, guys. It's exciting time. It's a very exciting time to be alive, man. And don't forget, guys, scare money don't make no money, guys. All right, guys, don't forget to comment. Let me know what your opinions, man. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm sorry this video is a little short or a little long, whatever you guys prefer. But I'll definitely keep trying to drop some videos as well. I don't have my laptop apparently with me currently, so I can't even edit this video awesome. But you know, I just want to say, man, I'm back, guys. I wanted to holla at you guys and let you guys know I'm coming back, and I'm just happy I'm coming back before the market start killing it. All right, take care, guys.